Big up to DYTV. I'm known from Prime in Holland, Utrecht, not so far from Amsterdam. But big up to this man. He's making great interviews and I like it. DYTV. Hi, I'm Non. Welcome to my store. It's called Prime Sneakers Consignment. It's in Utrecht, based in Holland. And let's talk about my store. I'm a consignment store, so people can bring shoes over here. We get a percentage of the selling. Sneakers, gadgets, toys, graffiti stuff, clothing, supporting the community, supporting small brands. We're trying to do something different than the other stores in this store, right?
Yeah, bro. So when did you start the Prime shop and with the sneakers? How did you start? What did trigger you to start this kind of store? Like,
I started here in 2012, so we are 12 years now.
yeah.
When did it started? I was a young kid. I liked to play basketball and I liked Michael Jordan, so I started with basketball shoes, and then that was like in the 80s, and then most of the beautiful and best shoes, I think from Nike, started that way, and a lot of also from Adidas. So that's the way I started collecting. I wanted more and more, and sometimes a lot and sometimes less. And then one day when I quit my job as a network specialist, somebody came to me like, hey, do you want to open a store together with me? And I was like, why not? And they were not here anymore,
Yeah.
so I opened the store.
Okay.
And then it started like in 2012.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you sell also like graffiti stuff.
Yes,
And,
yes.
So I see, because I frequent the store myself a lot, and I see a lot of people come and buy spray cans and markers and yeah, stuff that they need for.
Yeah, you have like a big history on graffiti, and you have a lot of guys even go all around the world do graffiti, and they're like really old school mind on graffiti, and they paint a lot.
Yeah.
So it was the best combination to also do spray cans
Together
with the sneakers and the other stuff in the shop.
Nice.
That's why we have graffiti also. Yeah.
Yeah, you got nice things. I mean, you got some of the exclusive Nikes too. Like I can see in the background you have, what's the ice cream name again?
Oh, Ben and Jerry's.
Ben and
yeah,
Jerry's.
this one. Yeah.
Ben and Jerry's.
Yes, these are one for these are some of the special shoes we have. It was a collaboration with Ben and Jerry's. It's called the Chunky Donkey. Yeah, it's quite expensive. On the other hand, what is expensive?
Yeah, if you like it,
Yeah,
you buy
if
it.
you like to buy it, you can buy it.
And you
Yes.
got the Pata too. And
Yes.
all
Patas, of course, Dutch.
that.
They are guys from Suriname, and I really support that because I'm from Suriname, and it's like a Caribbean thing, and they made like a lot of beautiful stuff.
You can show them maybe, but it's a bit too high now, but maybe you can focus the camera on top there. See, he got like exclusive spray cans from different artists. So maybe you can explain.
Yeah, it's
that.
like doing artist editions, and then the artists all over the world can design their own can, and we sell them also. I think it always looks cool, different colors, and I collect them myself because I'm a collector of everything. So I have a lot of ones. I miss the Heineken. I need that one really hard. And there is one from Yves Laurent, I think, but those are really expensive to get, and they are limited edition. But yeah, I like that. It's even like I collected beer bricks. If you can see all around the store, you have like 100%, 400%, and 1000% beer bricks, and I think it makes your shop colorful, and it's nice to see all the collaboration with the small beers, and I think it makes the shop more special. Yeah. And then we have like a selection of Supreme from way back till now, and I think Supreme also do a lot of collaborations, and you can see the diversity we have, like from bags, t-shirts, till tools you can use in your house, or just something to eat, or you know. Yeah, I think that makes our shop special. Yeah.
About it, that's one of the most famous graffiti writers in Utrecht. Everywhere you go, you see this kabouter in all kind of styles. He have his own stickers, coasters to put drink on.
Yeah, he made it especially for the shop, and I told him to do something with the shoes, so it's a extra in the shop. Yeah, and then we have a lot of shoes. We are a consignment shop. We have upstairs like vintage consignment. We will show it later on. And yeah, what we do is like people can bring their shoes and we sell it for them, so they get their money afterwards. And I think it's good for the environment, so you don't waste anything and somebody else can make you happy. And then you will get a real good variety of shoes, because some people have like something already for 10 years at home, and then somebody else is like, hey, I'm looking this one for 10 years. And it's always, every day we get new, always something different in this section.
Ja man, big up. This is Toothpick at Prime 030. Je weet zelf, I'm right here showing you some of my boy non-skis shoes. This is the consignment shoes where you can bring your shoes and then you can get them sold, and then you share the profits with him. Here you have like all kind of old schoolish, new schoolish. You got the baby ones, you know. So yeah, you must check this store, man. You have also stuff from Babe, you know, a batting ape. Nice stuff. Also on consignment, you know. Yeah, batting ape. Lot of different brands, Jordans, Supreme. Yeah. Lemon Nikes, Jordans, Stilo, no joke, bro. Right here you get it. And then tennis. Yeah. You know, we don't grab all of them because some of them is also like shoes on like in a showcase, so because they're very old shoes, you can grab them and they will crack. So we don't touch everything, but we just look. I just look, and sometimes when you want something, you could just ask him and he will get it for you. Also, if you want a special brand of shoes, it's the Tiger, the Leopard Nikes. And play with it. You will get everything, bro. Everything you want. He does also do the Sneakerheads. It's like a sneaker festival where all kind of guys have their own stand with all kind of Nike shoes and Adidas and all kind of brands. You know, this is the Pata also. Different color, the honey color. Yeah, so just drop in, man, drop in. You come from the Caribbean and you're looking for Nike shoes and you come to Utrecht, come to Prime 030. Here we got the shoes, bro. Check what I mean? Enough new things, enough special sale and consignment. Yeah, rock it. And it's not always only Nikes, eh? All brands too. You know, so rock it. Toothpick Mega Lobs for DYTV. Big up. Blow. So what's up? What's your name?
So my name is Patrick and I work here at Prime, so welcome at the place. What do you want to know, guys?
What do you do? What is your, besides working at Prime, what is your venues every day? And what do you do in life? School, music, whatever. Just explain something that you do.
That's good. So like I just said, my name is Patrick. I'm just like the regular everyday guys that you see everywhere, but I work at Prime, but aside of Prime I'm also like a freelancer, but in the event branch, in the music branch. I work a lot with creative people, so you can think about from like people that make art to people that dance to people that make music. You know, like art is more than just an expression, you know, it's something you feel, it's something you enjoy, it's something you take in, and like everybody know, art is made in a lot of multiple type of genres. How can I say it? Art is not just music, it's not just dancing. Art is also like a way to express yourself that come from the heart. And I mostly call myself the middleman. So most time my job is connecting. So most of the time I'm busy with connecting the rapper with the producer. I'm busy with connecting the dancer with the rapper. Or I'm busy with connecting somebody that's making an art with a dancer so they can make something beautiful together. So I call myself the middleman, and I work at Prime. Prime is more than a store, because we do a lot more than just selling shoes, clothing and graffiti. We're like a community-based store. We mostly focus on everything that have anything to do with the street culture. So we work together with House of Hip Hop to bring out events that like help young talented people to develop themselves. We also do a lot with graffiti artists. We call them writers. Last time together with Prime and Sally, we had like an exposition in Central Museum. That was actually really cool to see the culture being together, you know, like, because hip hop or street cultures always have been about being together, and that was what happened on that day. And that's something that made me feel really proud of being here and working at Prime. So that's a little bit what I do every day.
Yo bro, so I see you with some fresh gear on. You know, I think you guys sell it here too.
Yeah,
So
that's right, that's right. So I'm wearing like the MS1 Paddington.
yeah.
I don't know if you can see it. So the pants are from BDG, and the vest is from Rezares.
Yeah.
And of course the jacket is from Grimy. That's the new clothing we just got in the store. For the people that don't know Grimy, so let me tell you a little bit about Grimy. So Grimy is actually a brand based in Madrid. So it's literally like a brand that started and that put themselves a lot for industries in the world. You know, like if you think about the way the clothing that they make, it's most of the time like based on culture. You know, they make like clothing about Japan culture.
Yeah.
They also made clothing about what was going on in Palestine. So everything that's been sold for Grimy,
Yeah.
they send the money to Palestine to help the people there.
Yeah.
So that's something that really touched us, and we were like, okay, we want to have this in our store.
Yeah.
The story is deep, you know. It have a meaning. It have like, it's something that you don't just tell anybody.
Yeah.
It's not like, yo,
Wear it.
you wear it, you know. It's like, yo, I have a new clothing and it's really cool looking. No, it's cool looking and it have a story.
Yeah.
And that really touched us, and that's why we sell it. They have a lot of dope stuff. So if you're in Utrecht and you're looking for Grimy, just come up to us. Prime New Data. It's easy to find at Nerde. Right next to Bigoli, you can also get some good food right there. So yeah, feel free to come whenever you want. So yeah.
You got some of the good nice hats too, Grimy hats.
Yeah, man. We also got some of the good Grimy hats too. It comes in the white and in the black. And we also got like some Wheaton jacket. You know, hey, just make sure your girlfriend don't steal this one from you. That is just like an advice, because this thing is so warm. I have mine, and I'm single, so that's a good thing, because I know nobody's going to take that away from me. But like, if you take him, hide this one, because she's definitely going to steal it. So I see you in the store.